Creeper on the side, but get out of here, creeper.
Hey y'all, I'm Haley.
And I'm Ryan.
And you're in the Brewing Happiness Test Kitchen. Today we're gonna do a little learn teach session about sushi rice. I feel like rice is one of those confusing things in the world, or can be. Like you can screw up a rice pretty easy.
Yeah, that's true.
You can make it dry or too sticky, and sushi rice is that particular, very like sticky yet kind of fluffy texture.
Yeah, you got a lot of starch in there. So ultimately, sushi rice is a short grain rice. Short grain being starchier and the long grain being more fluffy generally.
Do you want to get ours out?
Yep.
So this is our sushi rice that we're using. We got this from
Whole Foods.
Whole
You
Foods.
already got that, yeah.
We got
That's
it from
probably
Whole
the
Foods.
biggest sushi rice maker that you'll find. There isn't a wide variety because Japanese are very protective of their sushi rice and they don't export any of it.
Oh shit, they hide stuff from us.
Uh-huh.
So if you can't find sushi rice in the grocery store, what can you sub it for?
Arboreal rice is
That's what you
another
use for
risottos.
risottos.
Traditional white rice, you would season it with salt, maybe put in some butter or something, oil, but not in this instance. In this instance, it's very plain, and then all of the seasoning really comes after. So the only thing that we're gonna do during the cooking is add a little rice vinegar to just kind of ramp up the flavor.
Take it away.
Great. Here we go. First, add 2 cups sushi rice to a pot. Then add 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of water, followed by 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. Bring to a simmer over medium heat, and then once simmering, reduce heat to as low as you can possibly go. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and let stand covered for at least 10 minutes. And you can let it stand for as long as you like after that, but at least 10 minutes.
Wow, ta-da. Rice. Ooh, it smells nice.
Yeah, you get the vinegar aroma out of it before you've even done anything to it. And you can just eat it like that if that's your thing.
How would you season it?
If you're gonna make sushi traditionally, you would add a mixture of rice vinegar, salt, and sugar.
This is like that perfect chewy yet not like mushy texture.
Yeah, you still want some bite to it.
Yeah.
But you also want it to be nice and pillowy and soft and really pleasurable to eat.
It's good. It's real good. We have a basically deconstructed sushi bowl with avocado sushi rice and some smoked salmon and all of that jazz. We'll link to that below if you want to try that recipe. Mm-hmm. If you have questions about, if we didn't answer a specific question that you have about sushi rice, you can ask it in the comments below and we'll try to get to that. Also, if you have some other kitchen task that you need to do that you're afraid to do and you want someone to show you how to do it, we're here for that. That's basically the whole purpose of these learn videos. Until next time, I'm Haley.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're making healthy happen. Wow, we nailed that. That was good. Okay, that's the end. Bye.
Bye.